What's up guys, Zach here, welcome back today to a new vlog. It's gonna be a good day, we have a lot of fun stuff planned. So we're here at the famous Bean of Chicago. Holy shit, it is busy.
So many people here.
I guess we should have come here at night. Oh my god. That is a ton of people. This is crazy, this is way bigger than I ever thought this was. Damn! So we're going to this like water statue thing. I don't know, it's like a big mouth that spits out a thing of water. She saw it last night at the rooftop bar that we were at. So we got some artists in the building. We got these tour bus. They said it's some like rock band, I have no idea. But it seems pretty serious because they got two fat coach buses. Alright guys, so we're here at the location. Oh, this is gonna be a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Even though she already found out the surprise, it's still exciting. Still looks like shit. Yeah, boy! Just got us upgraded to the 19th floor. Top floor of the hotel.
Amazing. Incredibly fluffy though, I must say. It's actually really nice.
Alright, so I just ordered Postmates for the first time out here in Chicago. It's gonna be 20 minutes. It's 4 o'clock and it's 4:20 on delivery time. We got Portillo's hot dogs, chili dogs coming in. But 20-minute delivery time. We're like 3 hours early before our flight, only because I got an email saying that there was gonna be a high traffic here in the airport. My hair is looking fantastic.
3 hours early.
Yeah, so we're just here at the airport chilling, waiting. Wow, I didn't have to wait 25 fucking minutes for my bag this time. We're on the move, getting the courtesy car and heading back to the car. There is no better feeling in the world than going on vacation, having a great time, coming home, relaxing in your own house, sleeping in your own bed. I'm exhausted from the weekend, but I had a great time. I hope you guys did like the vlogs. If you guys did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.